already, since a lot of guys don't use the forums and people don't use the search feature on our Facebook page, I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace the cruise control buttons from Amazon. 16 bucks, 17 bucks, whatever. Alright, old cruddy buttons. You got this piece right here. You're going to pop this out. Just pops right off. Same with the other side. I believe this works for Mustangs also. It's like the same steering wheel for the most part. Try to get the camera in here. Flathead screwdriver. Just yeeted that one out. And it's gonna be 8mm. I've got a 5/16. Oops. Kind of weird. Take this out right here. On me. Try not to drop it. Excuse my shitty camera footage. Take that out like so. Same for this side. Over here, get up in there. It's so weird that it honks. Airbags should start to come out. Okay, everyone says you can just take this and kind of position it away. God, I hope this fucking thing doesn't go off. That would fucking suck. Holy shit, that would suck. Alrighty. Now, from what I read online, everyone reuses the stock wiring. I got a screwdriver. I'm gonna start over and back. Take this off. Ground strap. Try not to lose that. Cup holder. Yeet. On the bottom. Same with the other side. Alrighty. For this next part, you just kind of pull on it gently and wiggle it. So hopefully you can see this. So you're gonna want to wiggle it, and it'll just unplug just like that. Just wiggle it. There you go. Buttons are free. And then you're just going to do the exact same with the OEM. You're going to pull these out, you're going to wiggle them, and then you're just going to reuse the OEM wiring and plug it into the new ones. Put the screws back in. Put the screws back in, the bolts back in on the sides, put the caps back on. Bam, done. Alright, so mine were a little bit stuck, so I didn't want to chance breaking the wiring. I just took a vice grip or a pair of pliers and you can just kind of wiggle them out. But they do pop out, it wasn't too bad. And now I'm going to put the new ones on. Alright, got that side done. I'll have to do this side now. Hopefully you can see what I'm about to be doing. Excuse the shitty camera work. So you can take this, This one got twisted up on me, but I believe it just goes this way. Let's see here. Plug it in like that. Put the screws back in. Bam, that side's done. Now we're just going to put the airbag back. Put it in there. Put the bolts in on each side. Put the caps back on. And done. Looks a million times better. And voila. Bolts back in, caps back on. These buttons. Takes about 10 minutes tops. Easiest thing to do. Get rid of them freaking busted ass buttons. Have your truck looking brand new again. 10 minutes.